Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. I just got delivered this box and I can't wait to unbox it and install this thing right there.
Okay, so what we've got in that box today? We've got our motorcycle fork stem mount from Quadlock, this beautiful case for Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and the vibration dampener from Quadlock, and of course a motorcycle for installing all those things. So we're gonna start from this motorcycle fork stem, have a look what it is inside, and yeah, we're gonna have to install it straight away. So got here that alien key, here that, okay, blue, as well as this. Looks nice. The quality looks very durable and very good quality. I mean, it looks definitely premium to all the Chinese stuff which we usually buy on Amazon or on on Alibaba or on AliExpress. So yeah, that's probably so that's probably is to change this one in case it's a thicker pipe to your fork. We're gonna keep going to this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra case. Let's get it out from the box. Okay, pull this one open. Okay. It's so beautiful. It definitely feels very good in the hands. It's nice and soft, and yeah, it's pretty much what I was expecting for the money I paid and for the brand. It locks at the end, yeah, so like this. Okay, and then you just push, twist back. Okay, so we've got here our motorcycle vibration dampener, which should help to improve the vibration between the bike and the phone. So we have to get this one out now. I hope this is gonna help to not damage my phone.
So to not longer waste your time, lads, we're gonna start to install this thing right here. Stopwatch, and here we go. Screw this thing down. Okay. Looks for me good and straight. Screw this thing, but not too tight for now. Like this. Then fit this thing over there. This. And this thing over here. See this one going through. Yeah, actually very strong alien key. Nine minutes and I will not be able to lock it, so I can't even twist it that way to lock, and then I can't twist it this way to lock, as it's the brake oil here, brake fluid, and yeah, grab that alien key back. very easy to get it out. I am like impressed. Okay, and for those who gonna ask me what type of bike it is, this is a Yamaha R1 from 2009 Big Bang edition. I own this bike for now over a week and a half, and this was my birthday present for my 26th birthday. So yeah, thank you very much to my wife Christina, and I want to thank me for dreaming big and working hard to accomplish my dreams. And sure, as I said, I want to thank Christina. If she wasn't agree, I wouldn't get this present, and wouldn't drive a bike maybe at all. So I'm very glad she helped me accomplish these dreams. And even she's not happy really I ride these bikes, and she's not that happy I'm into a biker world. She's still with me. She still agrees with my dreams, and she still let me buy these bikes and drive and spend a crazy amount of money on all the equipments and all the things which you have to spend with the bikes. Boys, you know how it is to own a bike, or you don't? If you know, you know. If you don't, I'm telling you, if you have money and you don't know where to spend them, just buy a bike. That's it, and your problems are sorted. You can spend millions on them if you want.
Billions and 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 billions
and equipment and camera gears and microphones and helmets and different type of leathers, 2 pieces, 1 piece, and boots and everything, thousands and thousands and thousands. And if you have some more money, you can get another bike, and then again you can buy new leathers, new colors, and try everything else you have on the market. I hope this video helps you to decide if you need or you don't need that quad lock mount. And from my point of view, I'm very happy I choose this one. It's very strong build, it's good quality. The case for my phone, it's awesome, and I'm really happy with this. So with that being said, we're gonna wrap up this video for today, as it's a little rain coming there, and it's really cold. As you have seen, I start my video with the cap on, and now I change it with a hat, so it's cold. It's November already, and in Ireland it's very freezing already. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.